Sleep. Affirmations to promote relaxation and to release your mental stressors. Guided voice. The purpose is to allow the brain to release emotional stressors that prevent your body from feeling safe and secure to sleep. Please follow these instructions. This is a guided sleep, voice only. Try doing this during the day. Do not do during the evening, where you are trying to force yourself to sleep. We're going to do a simple technique for calming the brain using tapping. You're going to use 2 fingers. You'll follow me what I am telling you, and then you will repeat after me. So there will be a pause. Are you ready? Take your 2 fingers and tap between your eyes. I release and let go of all my sadness. Tap on the side of the eye in your temple area. I release all of my fears. Now tap under your eye along your cheekbone. I release and let go of all my emotional traumas. All feelings of helplessness, hopelessness, all of my trapped feelings, all of my feelings of no control. Now, tap on the collarbone. I release and let go of all of my abandonment issues, rejections, betrayals, and everything else. Now, grab your wrist and say peace. Excellent. You will do this video 3 times. The first day, you're going to address what you are afraid to think of or afraid to feel. The second day, think of what makes you the saddest. The third day, what stresses you the most often. When you continue doing the affirmations and the release, you will be aiming at these particular issues for your affirmations to release from your mind. So, today is day 1. You're going to think of what you are afraid to think of or feel. Tomorrow is day 2. You will think of what makes you the saddest. And on third day, think of what stresses you the most often. Select whichever one it is now. Now, just listen to my voice. My mind and my body are ready to rest. I am in my sanctuary. Everything will be okay. I am so grateful for my body. My body is always relaxed. I look forward to each day, to tomorrow. I always do my best. I did my best today. I am ready to be recharged. Tomorrow is a new opportunity. My dreams are a place for positivity and hope only. I believe in myself. Sleeping is a natural state for me. I always enjoy a full night of sleep and rest. Calming thoughts and optimism will fill my dreams. I am in a safe place to sleep. I will let every worry go. My eyes are tired. My body and I deserve a good night rest tonight. I am thankful for this day. I am grateful for my bed, and I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Stress and worries, they cannot control me. I will let go and be at peace. I am so deserving of a good night rest of sleep. I love and accept this body. I will nourish it throughout my thoughts in my dreams when I sleep tonight. Now take your 2 fingers and tap between the eyes. Aim at your thought today that you had for day 1, day 2, or day 3. I release and let go of all of my sadness. Tap between your eyes and repeat after me. Tap on the side of the eye. I release all of my fears. Tap under the eye. I release and let go of all of my emotional traumas, all my feelings of helplessness, hopelessness, all of my trapped feelings, all my feelings of no control. Tap on the collarbone. I release and let go of all my guilts, anger, rejection, abandonment, betrayal, frustration, and everything else. Now take a deep breath. Grab your wrist and say, peace. Now listen just to my voice. I am thankful for the opportunities that have come my way today. Now I shall rest tonight. Tomorrow, all my goals are always possible. I feel myself more at peace with every breath I take. I deserve good dreams tonight. Tomorrow, I'll receive the things I dream about. I have done enough today. I am at peace with the universe. Good things come after a good night of sleep. I choose sleep. I choose rest. I choose peace and relaxation. My mindfulness is my priority. I am proud of myself for today. Tomorrow will be even better than I can imagine. I am such a beautiful being. I deserve to sleep. I am worthy of resting and relaxing and dreaming. My dreams will become a reality. I choose to not worry, stress, or dwell on negative things. I'm in a natural wellness state. My body deserves a good night. I am healthy, and I will thank my body with a good night of rest. My mind is full and productive today, and I will let it go. Tomorrow my mind and my body will shine again. I will feel safe in my sleep. My sleep calms me, recharges me for a better tomorrow. I love myself. I love my soul, my body. I love my mind. They are all so beautiful. I will attract loving dreams. I heal through my skin. Now take your fingers and aim at today's number 1 issue. Take 2 fingers and tap between the eyes and repeat after me. I release and let go of all of my sadness. Tap on the side of the face, by the side of your eye. I release all of my fears. Tap under your eye. I release and let go of all my emotional traumas, all the feelings of helplessness, hopelessness, trapped feelings, feeling no control. Tap on the collarbone. I release and let go of all my guilt, anger, rejection, betrayal, abandonment, frustration, and everything else. Take a nice deep breath. Grab your wrist and say, peace. You did a great job. Now relax and listen to the music until it ends. This has been your 10-minute sleep, mental stretcher, and affirmations for sleep.